Hello my friends, we are going to do an outdoor activity and make a hopscotch. Today we're going to use neon sidewalk paint markers, or you could just use regular chalk. So let's start with a song. Start at the top to the bottom, straight line, small line, long line, long line, short line, and again a long line. Take 2 steps, 1, 2, and finish off with one long line. Now starting at the beginning again. To the side, to the side, to the side, up high, back down to low, to the side, and again. One great big long line. Come down. Long line to the side, to the side, to the side, to the side, and down. Short line, short line, short line. And that is our rhyme. Now we gotta fill in the markings. Short line from side to side. But here we're going to do something different. Start at this corner and go to adjacent. And with one great big line. Let's do it again. From this corner to this corner. A long line we do. Now it's time to try one more skill. Let's do a half circle, half circle. That is our markings for hopscotch. Now let's practice our letters, or numbers, sorry. The 1, it's a 1, it's a 1. Start at the top and go to the bottom. A 2 is a half circle. Come down and a line out. That's our 2. Number 3 is a half circle and a half circle. That's our 3, that's a 3, that's a 3. And number 4 is a half of a square. Pick up your pen to the top and to the bottom. That's number 4. Number 5, a line and down, and a half circle, that's number 5. You're doing fine, you're doing fine, you're fine. Now it's time for number 6. Number 6 is a large half circle with a little half circle. That's number 6. And number 7 is easy to do. It's a line across and then down adjacent. That's number 7. Number 8 is a half circle with a full circle and back up to a half circle. That's 8. That's 8. Now number 9 is a full circle with a tail. That's our number 9. Number 10 is easy to do. Start at the top, go down, pick it up. Do a circle, same size. And that is number 10. Number 11, start to the top, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Start at the top to the bottom again, and that is another 11. Now number 12. Start at the top and go down. And our 2 is a half circle and down. Straight out. That's 12. And we're ending with number 13. From the top to the bottom and down. Half circle, that's it. we're done our hopscotch. Now it's time to play Let's Go. For anyone that doesn't remember the rules for hopscotch, you need to find a pebble. So take a look on your ground and you can find a pebble, or you can always use a coin or something. I will have to find a pebble, or a little acorn. That will do me just fine. Okay, when you start hopscotch, you throw your pebble or whatever you found, and that's the number you have to miss. Okay, so it's hopping on one foot. So this is my strong foot. So 1, 2, 3. And since I can't step on the number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, turn around and go back down. This time you can pick up your pebble and then you keep going. And that's hopscotch. Thank you for joining me for this activity. We'll see you later.
Hopscotch! Race you to the rock! Oh, okay, you go first. Okay. Oh no! I'll kick it to 1. You got 7. Don't jump at 7. Okay, my turn. Your turn. Oh wait, come back. My turn. 5. No. Gotta go back. Keep going, keep going. Let's 6. Now come back. Okay. 3. That should be easy. No. Don't step out of that one. Okay, let's now. Oh no, I messed up. Big time. Okay, mess up.